Bangkok, a city where ancient traditions and modern life blend in a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and flavors. Each day reveals a new facet of its captivating character. Imagine yourself strolling through fragrant markets, marveling at gleaming temples, and savoring street food. In this video, we'll guide you through an expertly crafted 3-day itinerary that captures the essence of Bangkok. From renowned sites to off-the-beaten-path attractions, we've put together a perfect mix of experiences. Get ready to uncover the heart of this incredible city without feeling rushed or missing out on its wonders. Before we dive in, let's talk about the best time to visit. Bangkok is a year-round destination, but the cool season from November to February is ideal. During these months, the weather is more comfortable, with temperatures ranging from 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, to 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and lower humidity. This makes exploring the city's outdoor attractions much more enjoyable. If you're visiting during the rainy season, June to October, you'll find fewer crowds and lower prices, but be prepared for occasional downpours. Now let's dive into your 3-day adventure in Bangkok. Day 1. Classic Bangkok. Temples, palaces, and street food. Let's kick off your Bangkok adventure right at the heart of the city's history. Your first stop, the Grand Palace Complex, a living museum of Thai heritage that showcases royal splendor and spiritual significance. To make the most of your visit, arrive when it opens at 8:30 a.m. to avoid crowds and the midday heat. Entry costs 500 Thai baht per person, which includes access to the Temple of the Emerald Buddha. To get there, take the BTS SkyTrain to Saphon Taksin Station. Then hop on the Chao Phraya Express boat for just 15 Thai baht. The boat ride itself is a scenic experience offering views of the city's riverside life. As you step into the palace grounds, you're surrounded by stunning architecture that tells the story of Thailand's rich past. The Emerald Buddha, the country's most treasured religious icon, awaits your discovery. Despite its name, this sacred statue is actually carved from jade, adding an intriguing twist to its allure. Take a short 10-minute walk to Wat Pho, home to the famous reclining Buddha. A sight to behold, it stretches an impressive 46 meters long with intricate mother-of-pearl inlays on its feet. Entry costs 200 Thai baht, and for an additional 300 Thai baht, you can enjoy a traditional Thai massage at the temple's massage school. This is the perfect way to recharge after a morning of exploration. Next, take a brief ferry ride across the Chao Phraya River to Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. The ferry costs just 14 Thai baht, and entry to the temple is 100 Thai baht. Wat Arun's central prang, adorned with porcelain mosaics, glimmers in the sunlight, creating a dazzling display of colors. For the best views, time your visit for early morning or sunset when the temple's elaborate details are beautifully highlighted. As the day winds down, your senses are in for a treat in Bangkok's vibrant Chinatown. This is where the city truly comes alive after dark. Narrow streets beckon with hidden culinary gems, filling the air with enticing aromas. Street food here is incredibly affordable, with dishes like savory noodles or mango sticky rice costing between 40 and 100 Thai baht. For a full immersion into the local food scene, consider joining a guided walking tour for around 1,500 Thai baht per person, which includes multiple tastings and fascinating insights into the area's history and culture. As you weave through the bustling streets, the sizzle of street food mingles with the chatter of locals and fellow food enthusiasts. Each bite tells a story of Bangkok's diverse culinary heritage, creating an unforgettable sensory experience that captures the essence of Bangkok's nightlife. This food adventure is the perfect way to cap off your day of exploration, leaving you with a full belly and a heart brimming with the warmth of Thai hospitality. Day 2. Modern Bangkok. Art, shopping, and nightlife. Time to experience a different side of Bangkok, where creativity and commerce blend seamlessly. Your second day starts at the Thompson House, a bridge between bygone elegance and contemporary artistry. Entry costs 200 Thai baht per person, and guided tours are included in the ticket price. To get there, take the BTS SkyTrain to National Stadium Station, which is just a short walk away. As you wander through the beautifully preserved teak buildings, you'll learn about Thompson's fascinating life and his mysterious disappearance in 1967. The lush gardens surrounding the house create a serene escape from the city's hustle. Next, head to the Bangkok Art and Culture Center, BACC, located right next to the National Stadium BTS station. Entry to the main galleries is free, making it a budget-friendly way to explore contemporary Thai art. The rotating exhibits feature everything from paintings and sculptures to cutting-edge multimedia installations. After exploring the galleries, relax at one of the trendy cafes or browse the artisan shops for unique souvenirs. From the canvas of Thai art, make your way to the streets where fashion speaks volumes. Your next stop is Siam Square, the beating heart of Bangkok's style scene. To get here, take the BTS SkyTrain to Siam Station, which connects directly to the shopping malls. Explore Siam Center and Siam Paragon for a mix of local designers and international brands. Whether you're looking for unique Thai-inspired pieces or familiar global labels, you'll find it all here. For budget-friendly finds, head to MBK Center, where you can shop for clothes, accessories, and electronics at bargain prices. All that shopping is sure to work up an appetite. Take a break in the trendy Thonglor neighborhood, known for its hip cafes and restaurants. A quick ride on the BTS SkyTrain to Thonglo Station will get you there. Street food snacks here cost as little as 100 Thai baht, while a sit-down meal at a stylish cafe ranges from 300 to 600 Thai baht per person. As the sun sets, it's time to experience Bangkok's famous rooftop bar scene. Start at Octave Rooftop Lounge and Bar, which is conveniently located near Thonglo Station. Cocktails here cost around 300 to 500 Thai baht, and the panoramic views of the city skyline are worth every sip. For fans of the movie The Hangover Part 2, the Sky Bar at Labua State Tower is a must-visit. Try their signature Hangover Teeny cocktail for 490 Thai baht and enjoy the breathtaking views that made this bar famous. From art to fashion, food to drinks, this day in Bangkok offers a perfect blend of culture and modern city life. You'll see how tradition and innovation come together in this vibrant metropolis, creating an experience that's uniquely Thai and utterly unforgettable. Day 3, Hidden Bangkok, markets, parks, and local life. As we kick off our final day in Bangkok, we're in for a treat that's far from typical tourist spots. Let's start early with a trip to the Maeklong Railway Market, where shopping and train tracks merge in an unexpected spectacle. To get there, take a train from Wangwian Yai Station for just 10 to 20 Thai baht. The journey takes about 90 minutes and offers scenic views of rural Thailand. Visiting the market itself is free, but you'll want to budget for snacks and souvenirs. The real excitement happens several times a day when a train rumbles through. Vendors spring into action, swiftly pulling back awnings and moving goods to make way for the incoming train. It's a well-coordinated dance between commerce and transportation. Once the train passes, everything returns to normal in seconds. This sight will stay with you long after leaving Bangkok. After the high-energy market spectacle, glide into the serene embrace of Bangkok's hidden canals. A private longtail boat tour costs around 1,500 Thai baht for an hour and offers a peaceful escape from the bustle of the city. As you float along, peek into riverside life and admire beautiful local temples, enjoying a fresh perspective on the city. To cap off this 3-day itinerary, we're heading to Bangkok's Green Lung Bang Krachao. To get there, take a taxi or grab ride to Klong Tui Pier, then hop on a short ferry ride for just 10 Thai baht. Once there, rent a bike for 50 to 100 Thai baht per hour and explore the lush mangroves and elevated pathways. The air feels fresher here, filled with the subtle sense of tropical plants. You'll hear birds chirping and leaves rustling in the breeze, a stark contrast to the city's constant hum. Bangkok isn't just one city, it's 3 amazing experiences rolled into one. From the glittering temples of Old Town to the trendy cafes of Thonglor, this city has something for everyone. With affordable transportation, budget-friendly attractions, and a vibrant food scene, Bangkok is a destination that welcomes travelers of all kinds. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to fall in love with this perfect 3-day plan courtesy of Itinerary Insiders. Check out the video description for more details on tours and attractions mentioned in this video, and don't miss our itineraries for Istanbul and Rome.